Hey everybody, it's Travis, your manufactured home nerd. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Oasis by Deer Valley. It's a beautiful house that has a lot of customizable floor plan options that you can do to make it a 3-bedroom with a den, 4-bedroom with a den, and a porch, whatever you like. It is super customizable. Now you can see here on this house, we got the new carbon colored vinyl. It's a darker vinyl that a lot of people are loving nowadays, and it's got those wood shutters. Last time when we ordered it was a little bit more stark on the inside when it came to some of the features, and we kind of updated it to be a little bit different. So you're going to see kind of very similar home tour to the last one, but we'll check out and see what all it looks like on the inside. Now I do love this door right here. The wood and glass on it is very nice look to the house. Also works really well with that shutters and open into the wide open floor plan. We actually don't have any furniture in this house today, so a little bit different than our normal tours, but you're gonna see how big it is. You got 3 large windows here in the living room, let in all that natural light. The 8.5-foot ceilings, crown molding that is wider up here at the top, and then of course we got that electric fireplace there, and with this shiplap accent. They do offer the wood burning and this, gas insert fireplaces with stone and brick and different looks there. You can see it opens right into the kitchen and the dining area. Did no carpet in the living room on this one. There is carpet in the bedrooms. Of course, there's your ceiling fan option. You notice it's a cased opening here. You can do more beam work if you want, or even put beams in the living room. And going into the kitchen, it's got this vaulted ceiling with those beautiful shiplap and beam accents. It's absolutely stunning in person. A lot of people are loving it. A little built-ins there for extra storage in your dining area. 2 large windows again in the dining room. And you got a really nice set up here in the kitchen. Got the dual colors on your island and kitchen cabinets, but you can change that if you like. Really good clean look. Of course, Deer Valley does those solid wood doors and fronts, and actually the whole cabinet construction is wood. They also use that assisted closing, so it's really nice. Each shelf inside is adjustable. We love that soft close. Look how you can adjust how tight it is. That one's a little bit tighter than some of the other ones, so it takes a little longer to close. I also got this large farm sink and the rolled countertop edge. Now there is no backsplash in this house, but they do have ceramic backsplash options. So I love this rolled countertop. It goes all the way up. It's rolled on the edge here, so you don't have that glued on strip. You spill water, it's not going down behind your cabinets. And then you got smooth top stove. They have the gas options and a couple of different, even do wall mounted. I do love that hood vent as well. A lot of counter space in here for all the different appliances everybody adds to a house. Slow cookers, air fryers, blenders, coffee pots, whatever you like. Big pantry as well. It even has shiplap accent all the way in there. A lot of folks have kind of set this up over here in the dining room as a coffee bar. Now, if you look at this home on the website, whether it's Bolton Homes or other Oasis Deer Valley floor plans on the website, you'll see that they'll have floating shelves instead of the upper cabinets a lot of times. That's an option easily to do. Gives it that nice rustic look, but also just like a little showcase piece. Right off the dining room, you go into the utility room. I do love this back door with that wood look and your full-size breaker panel. And through the utility room, you got a nice folding table next to your washer and dryer. They have the recessed dryer vent, which we absolutely love. Your dryer can go all the way back. And of course, an extra shelf here. Store some goodies on it. I have had some folks option in cabinets up there, and that's an option as well. They also have these 5-panel doors. Get a better look than the normal 2-panel doors. They are still the hollow doors, but it is an option to do these 5-panel doors. Really nice. And then walking in here, this is your guest bathroom. right off the utility. So if you're out barbecuing and need to go run into the restroom, you're not too far away from your options. You have your two ceramic sinks here with two big drawer stacks, or 4 big drawers there. Of course, your mirror built in, toilet, and we walked right past it. Your tub shower combo. This is a fiberglass tub shower combo. It is wider than your normal tub and shower as well. Nice little space here. And this goes into a hallway that opens up onto a linen closet right across from one of the bedrooms. And there's a little coat closet there as well. And into these two fairly large bedrooms, you could easily fit a queen size bed in here with dresser and a couple other pieces of furniture, and the 2 large windows. We absolutely love it. Kind of give you a walk all the way around it. Now, if you notice there, like I said earlier, there is carpet here in the bedroom, but you don't have to do that. If you prefer the tile throughout, that's okay. And they also do offer some luxury vinyl planking options instead of the tile. A lot of customization is possible when you're working with Deer Valley, as they're one of your top builders. And you know, their tagline is the heaviest built as well, so you're gonna get that quality. I haven't even mentioned the 2x6 walls on the outside, 2x4 inner walls, all set at 16-inch centers. Even around your windows and doors, you got double studs and headers, a lot of different stuff. They have that 24-inch OSB beam they put on both halves of the home from one end to the other. Now this is bedroom 2 here. You see how big the closet is, and it's also the same size as that other room, so you got a lot of space in here for your kids or guests or office, whatever you want to use it for. And I love these blinds. These 2-inch blinds are a nicer look than those little vinyl blinds. This is a vinyl product, but it got more of that faux wood look. And they are cordless, so you can adjust them just by lifting or pulling down. And we absolutely love that. We don't want to forget to show you the coat closet. As I've learned, the older I get, the more stuff I have. So extra storage is always important. Definitely a place for the kids to put their coats in. Probably me as well. Maybe some extra boots and some other stuff. All right, now coming off of back into the living room, we're gonna go see the master bedroom. It's a pretty big room. Not much to see because we don't have furniture in it, but you can see that it is a good size. Also has that ceiling fan. Now, no, ceiling fans are options in all your bedrooms, real easy. It's gonna be standard in your living room and your master bedroom. But most people do add them to the guest bedrooms. And I've even had a few people add them to a dining room, which is an option. Again, you see those blinds kind of folded down. They help block that light because those thicker blinds last a little bit longer than the other ones. And then coming off of this, we have an absolute gorgeous master bathroom suite. More shiplap inside. We love the look of this. It's a little darker shiplap. It's got that, just a classic look with that clawfoot tub here. 2 big windows. Check out that tub. It's deep, and you got the nice little handheld right here on your faucet. It's pretty fancy. I'm absolutely in love with that look. And then of course we didn't put all the light bulbs in every one of them, but you got your vanity lighting right here above there. And you even have a space for her to put her makeup on. And big drawers there at the bottom so you can actually store your stuff. And then, like many homes now, Deer Valley does PEX plumbing throughout, as you can see. And it's even got the shut-off valves. One of the things I didn't show you here on your drawer construction, you actually have a dovetail edging. It's held together with screws, not staples, so you don't have to worry about this faceplate coming off. And it also features that soft close, and we absolutely love that. Now coming around right across from that, you can see you got the smaller tile shower. Now there are options to do a larger tile shower. That's no problem at all. We'd love to design that for you, but we would have to change the look a little bit about the bathroom to get you a bigger one. Now it has that fiberglass pan, but Deer Valley now offers a tile basin. You can easily change that, upgrade it if you like. And then it's got this awesome rain shower head with the handheld that pops off. We always love a handheld. Clean that back a little bit easier. Then coming through here, you got your private water closet, or as my wife says, where I go to watch TikTok. And then you got your master closet. They've added some shoe shelves or sweater shelves, whatever you want to call them in here. And it is that solid wood shelving instead of the wire racks. And you got it double hung over here. And then there's your whole water cutoff for the whole home there, which is a really nice thing to have. So if you do have leaks and you can't identify where from, you can kind of mitigate it with that whole home cutoff. But of course you had the shut-off valves at all your toilets, tubs, showers. All of them have their own little shut-off valves, so you can help mitigate that. Now, all in all, this is a really heavy built home. As y'all see, all you've heard is me talking, but we're right next to the highway. So it's well insulated. Very nice concept. We love the open feel to it and how it flows. I especially love that pass-through utility room. I can go straight to the bathroom there if I'm working on the car in the back and wash my hands. And then this kitchen here is very modern looking. Of course, Deer Valley loves that rustic look. So if you want to make it a little more farmhouse, that's something we'd love to do too. And don't forget those vents are in the ceiling. So that's always really nice for us down here in the South. Guys, if you have any questions about this home or any of the homes at Bolton Homes, I'd be happy to help you. My name is Travis, your manufactured home nerd. You can reach us at 318-487-1819. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, make sure you follow us. Y'all have a great day.